Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance GLOVER RC30s. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the New Balance GLOVER collaboration, the RC30, and we got this in the sea salt colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's a UK, oh forgive me, it's a European 41.5, and it's a US men's 8. And have a look at the box. It's just a normal brown box, and you got a what I assume is a BlackBerry there at the top. Really simplistic. I mean, a lot of Donald Glover's sneakers, I mean, he did a range with Adidas that we've done the Nizza for, so check that review out if you want to have a look. And just on that, he's done, when it comes to his sneaker designs, they're very minimalistic, very retro, classic designs, and it just suits him so well. If you see how Donald Glover dresses, I mean, he dresses really good. Like, he's on point, he's very fashion forward, and I mean, in regards to his sneakers, he wears Cortezes. I've seen him wear, obviously, his collaboration with Adidas, and I haven't seen him wear these yet, but hopefully you might see him wear it on an episode of Atlanta or something. But I think this is where there is a divide. Obviously, he splits his time as Childish Gambino, the rapper, the performer, with Donald Glover, the actor, comedian, the writer. He really is like a master of nearly everything. He's dominated TV, music, movies, stand-up. The guy's very well talented. One of my heroes, and I'm just glad I got a pair of his New Balances. They were quite easy to get from the New Balance website. It was only one per customer as well. Reasonable price, £100. I mean, a lot of the sizes have sold out, but they're not going for too much on the resale market. So if you're after a pair, you can check it out. But see how you feel after this review. And here we go. There they are. I mean, I'm a big fan of this, especially because the Adidas Nizza colorway that I've got is a similar sort of off-white color. And it just matches his style, in my opinion, like very, if you know, you know, kind of thing. And to the untrained eye, people would just think this is a classic New Balance that just got rid of really retro since the 70s, which a lot of the inspiration comes from the 70s in regards to this RC30 sneaker. So we'll start with the outsole, and this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see the ripple effect here with this rubber, and you got the New Balance logo, or the lettering is going on each and every ripple there. So this takes inspiration from your classic 70s racers. I mean, you can see the shark teeth, and you can see it more prevalent like in the Nike Cortez. But where New Balance found their inspiration was from, again, 70s inspired sneakers, and it was from their Trackstar model that had incorporated the same, ripple design here. The upper is this beautiful blend of nylon and suede accents, and it comes in the beautiful sea salt, this off-white color that just works really well, especially with the leather New Balance. And plus on the medial and the lateral side, it's in a curved way as well, again, just to hit that retro look. Look at the toe box, got your suede paneling there, the tongue, it's a foam tongue with the exposed foam, you can see it if you look at the top of the tongue there. The New Balance logo as well, that's etched on the top of the tongue. Flat laces with the suede lace paneling. Looking at the back, you've got suede paneling as well, suede back, and on the inside you got the RC30 with this orange insole. Again, it's also the synthetic materials, the insole. And to round it off, we'll have a look at the ankle support. So it's very nicely padded, and it's like polyester, there for your support at the end of the day. I mean, this was a casual sneaker, very minimalistic, as I mentioned before. The other colorway was an orange, and there was like a third release that was inspired by the commercial or advert that came with the sneaker. It was with this little short cartoon, and it was like a deconstructed look. I'm not sure if you were able to get that from New Balance. I think that was just a limited release. Fortunately enough for us, we were able to get the sea salt colorway, and in my opinion is a better colorway. We are mid-July at the time of this recording here in London, and this is the perfect summer shoe. So what you can do is wear these with a pair of shorts, get Summertime Magic playing by Childish Gambino, and you know, just walk through it with that song playing through your mind, or if you're blasting it out wearing these bad boys. So that rounds up my review. I'm really excited to try these on. Big shout out to Donald Glover. I know you're watching. Donald, please hit your boys up with something. Continue the great work. All that footage of me trying these RC30s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend a true to size fit. For New Balance, I'm UK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. These are really dope on. I think they look really cool. They go with what I'm wearing at the minute. I'm just wearing some blue shorts from what I got from Uniqlo. However, it just feels a bit weird. Maybe it's the ripple outsole, because it feels like there's a lump at the just around here at the forefoot. But other than that, you know, these give that really cool aesthetic. Again, it's one of those sneakers, if you know, you know. I mean, to the layman who sees me out on the streets, they'll probably think this, oh, it's just like those OG, you know, retro New Balance runners. But to those with a observant eye or real keen eye to detail, they'll know that these are Donald Glover's New Balances. Big shout out to Donald Glover. If you're watching, we know that you are. Show us some love in the comment section below. Just give us some love. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.